Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the idea of immortality. Countless myths, legends, and religious beliefs grapple with the concept of life after death. Today, a new possibility is emerging from the realm of science fiction and entering the realm of scientific possibility: digital immortality. This concept, fueled by rapid advancements in technology, suggests that one day we might be able to upload our minds, our very consciousness, into a digital realm, transcending the limitations of our biological bodies. This essay explores the fascinating and complex idea of mind uploading. We will delve into the science behind it, the potential benefits and challenges, and the profound philosophical questions it raises. Imagine a future where death is no longer inevitable, where our minds could live on in a digital paradise, potentially free from suffering and decay. This is the promise of digital immortality, a concept that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of life, death, and what it means to be human. But is this truly achievable, or is it merely a fantastical dream? Let's explore the possibilities together. Mind uploading, also known as whole brain emulation, is the hypothetical process of transferring a conscious mind from a biological brain to a non-biological substrate. This substrate, most likely a sophisticated computer system, would need to replicate the intricate network of neurons and their connections that give rise to our thoughts, memories, emotions, and personality. Imagine creating a digital blueprint of your brain, capturing every nuance of its structure and activity. This blueprint, a digital replica of your neural architecture, would then be run on a powerful computer system, theoretically allowing your consciousness to continue existing in a digital environment. This concept rests on the assumption that consciousness is an emergent property of the brain's information processing capabilities. If we can successfully replicate these processes in a digital medium, the theory goes, we should also be able to replicate consciousness itself. However, the brain is an incredibly complex organ, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding how it gives rise to the subjective experience of being alive and aware. Mind uploading, while a fascinating possibility, remains a significant scientific and technological challenge. While the technology to upload a mind doesn't yet exist, several hypothetical methods have been proposed. Two of the most commonly discussed are copy and upload, and copy and delete. The copy and upload method, as its name suggests, involves creating a digital copy of the brain while preserving the original biological brain. Think of it like making a backup of your computer's hard drive. Your consciousness would exist in two places simultaneously: your biological body and its digital counterpart. The copy and delete method is a bit more radical. It involves gradually